Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be taking a look at making Blackberry Shrub. Now this is going to be another fairly short video, but this is going to show you how to make it with kombucha and with any other vinegar of your choice. This is a very simple recipe that is a great use for leftover kombucha that has become too acidic. For this, all you will need is 1 cup of fresh or frozen blackberries or other fruit of your choice, 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of vinegar or acidic kombucha. Now, for this I chose to use raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, but some recipes recommend using a milder vinegar such as balsamic. It's all personal choice. You have to pick a vinegar that you personally enjoy, as that is going to be part of the flavour of the final product. Now, first of all, we want to start by adding our berries and our sugar to a large clean jar, and then just crush them down either with the end of a rolling pin or something just to release the juice from the berries. Now, once the berries have been adequately crushed, simply add the vinegar of choice or the kombucha. Don't worry if the sugar hasn't dissolved, it will dissolve over the next couple of days as this is going to be a several day fermentation process. Then simply cover and let rest either at room temperature or in the fridge for around 2 to 5 days, mixing daily and testing until it reaches a flavour of your liking. Once the shrub is where you want it, simply drain off the pulp and keep the juice. Now, this will keep in the fridge for I think up to around a month, most guides say, and possibly a little bit longer. As the sugar and the kombucha would have mixed together, the sugar will feed the kombucha and make it slightly carbonated also, so don't forget to burp your bottles daily. Once the shrub is where you want it flavour-wise, simply add some cold water or carbonated water. This makes a great alternative to fizzy drinks. All you will need to do is make it like squash, so just a bit of the shrub and then fill the rest of the glass with the water. Now, personal preference wise, I think the kombucha one turned out so much better, but that's just because the kombucha vinegar is a more mild vinegar. The apple cider one was a little bit too overpowering for my personal liking, and I will quite happily take the kombucha vinegar shrub any time over the apple cider one, which is a shame because I do really enjoy apple cider vinegar. Now, I will be in the future looking into more recipes that use up leftover kombucha vinegar, because other than pouring it away, I'm not really too sure of anything else to use it for. So hopefully in the future we will be having some more leftover kombucha ideas on the channel. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all next time.